Hello, kindergarten. We are talking about the number 0 again today. We're going to watch a little starfall activity on 0, and then I'm going to kind of walk you through your workbook page. So let's see what starfall has to say about the number
0. 10 balloons.
Oh, we're going to pop the balloons. Ready?
9 balloons. 8 balloons. 7 balloons. 6 balloons. 5 balloons. 4 balloons. 3 balloons. 2 balloons. 1 balloon. 0 balloons.
We popped all of the balloons. There are 0 balloons left. Let's see if we can count backwards from 10 down to 0, kind of like a blast off like they just did. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0.
0. We've got a 0 song.
The 0 song.
If I had 10 apples and gave them all away, I would then have 0 apples today. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now I have no more. 0, 0, 0, 0 apples today. 0, 0, 0 apples, I gave them all away. We each have an apple we can buy. Once we eat all our apples, there'll be 0 apples inside. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now there are no more. 0, 0, 0, 0 apples we say. 0, 0, 0 apples, we ate them all today.
All right, let's click over to our workbook page. First, I'm going to kind of go over our page from yesterday, and you can check your answers. The first one said that Oliver had 1 juice box and Lucy had 1 fewer. So if you put up Oliver's 1, and then Lucy had 1 fewer, you could take that 1 away. How many did Lucy have? She had 0 juice boxes, so you should have written a 0. And down here it said Jessica has no books, and then Wesley has 2 more, so you would add 2. How many books does Wesley have? He had 2 books. Then on the back, there were 0 apples left in Eva's basket. There were 3 Lincoln cubes and 1 squirrel. Let's see what we're doing today. I want you to get this page out of your workbook, 1.10, and your pencil. Get your name on there, and we're going to kind of go through it together. Give you just a minute to do that. Number 1. How many birds are in the cage? I want you to write that number right here. How many birds are in this cage? You should have written a 0. There are 0 birds. No birds in that cage. Let's look at number 2. How many birds are in this cage? Touch and count them and write the number that shows how many. There are 2 birds in that cage. You should have written the number 2. Let's look at number 3 by the leaf. How many birds are in this cage? Count them and write the number. There were 0 birds in that cage. You should have written another 0. Last one down here by the flower, number 4. How many birds are in this cage? Write the number that tells how many. There's 1 one bird in that cage. It has one more direction for us. It wants us to circle the cages on this page that have 0 birds. So find the cages that have 0 birds and draw a circle around them. You should have circled this cage and this cage. Those two have 0 birds in them. Let's turn on to the back. Little more practice. Put your finger right here on this apple, number 1. Which bowl of fish has 0 fish in it? Color in the circle underneath the bowl that shows 0 fish. You should have chosen this one. This bowl has 0 fish in it. Let's look at number 2 by the sun. Count and tell how many footballs there are. Count them and then mark under the number that tells how many footballs. Let's check that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to find the number 5 and mark under it. Last one by the leaf, number 3. Which group shows 5 objects, 5 stars? Find the set of 5 stars. You should have chosen this one. This set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Awesome job. Okay, tomorrow we're going to kind of be wrapping up our first chapter. We're just going to kind of practice a little bit of everything we've learned in this chapter, and then we will move on to chapter 2 next week. Good work.